Mic test. Mic test. I like to do a little mic test. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mic test. Mic test before we start the day. All right, everybody, welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Thank you guys for being here today. As always, it's always great to see y'all back again. I hope everybody had a great day. Tell me everybody had a great day, please. Please. Hey, Kid Rent in the house, man. Ralph, what up? Zogzo, what is going on? Dimitcho, Derek Lee. Giveaway time. Absolutely, guys. We have a giveaway to do today. Hello, everybody. Mustafa in the house. What is up? Lorne Mills. Send it to the all-time high, guys. I don't want to talk about this market, guys. This market has absolutely been a monster. Comes always with the what was the stock this afternoon? The earnings was Oracle, guys, man. It was Oracle earning that came out. It did not come out pretty well. But the guidance was crazy, guys. And like I said again, every time, what matters really the most is the guidance, and that's what really matters the most. And the market just did not really stop ripping, obviously, to the upside. It kept going. Maybe I should have just held long, I guess. Obviously, it doesn't happen that way, unfortunately. That's what I'm saying I should have done, but I never listen, and that's where you get kind of hurt. Anyways, guys, great to see y'all back again. Mustafa Lone Mills, final countdown in the house. What is up? All right, where is my live? There we go, that's my live. Everybody, we still have 4 more minutes, and I'm trying to set this up. I actually ended up restarting my computer. Guys. So I've got to do a little setting here, if you guys don't mind. Just then, right in the house. What is up, man? ABB, guys. Everybody, great to see y'all back again. Let me just quickly let everybody know on our Discord that Stock Tiger is live. Live V in the house. Oh, so this is going to be a very interesting day, guys. Honestly, personally, I'm not really looking forward to today with everything that just happened towards the end of the day. I'm a little nervous. Let's put it that way. I'm very nervous with everything that just happened this morning, guys. Market did not know how to pull back. We all witnessed that today. Wow, look at the gold, guys. Look at the gold. Incredible, guys. I don't know, man. Everything's just... You know what we should have done? We should have just entered along right at, last night. We should have just entered long last night and then just come back right now. Can you guys imagine what would have been like if we entered long last night at exactly this time of the day and then come back the very next day at about 6 p.m. Eastern time, and then now we should have been up pretty nicely without losing any of our accounts. But instead, guess what happened? I had a pretty bad day. What is up, Captain Price in the house? Lone Mills. Phil, what is up, Phil? Thank you for being here, guys. We got 1 more minute for Globex to open. I'm gonna try and stay calm, right? Let this price play out. Let this price play out, guys. What am I at? Apex one. I've got to be on the something else. I've got to be at 491. All right, guys. I'll start the day with funding ticks, guys. With funding ticks, and we'll talk about what is going on with the rest of my stuff.
Order working. Order cancelled.
All right, guys. We'll start the day. I'm gonna make things very simple here today. Is that I'm gonna be looking at just 2 levels now. Nothing really too complicated. It's gonna be a straightforward 2 levels, right? The high and the low of today towards the end of the day. Okay, right? There's 2 levels, and if it breaks, then obviously we're gonna have to take a look at it again. But for now, this is my levels, guys. All right, this is our levels. And if you just think about it from a grand scheme of things, we kind of broke out completely of that 860 that we talked about so many times, a million times over and over again. I would imagine the next level is going to be somewhere here in the zone. That will be 24,063. And we talked about this level so many times, guys. I don't know if we have it here with me, but let's see if I've got it here. Yeah, no, I got rid of the drawing, so it's not there anymore. It's not there anymore, guys, unfortunately. Let me just take a look and see if I've got it here. I still don't. No, I don't, unfortunately. So you're gonna have to move back. Take it back. Where am I at? We're with the funding ticks. So just gonna move back to the 1 minute chart. Okay, so that's trade. Let's trade. My trade will be on the funding ticks. Funding ticks, guys. We're sitting at 901. 901. We had a nice little push to the open, 0.12% up in this market. Now trying to call back down again. 0. What is up, man? Captain Price in the house. Spoil in the house. Neo in the house, man. What is up, everybody? Thank you guys for being here. Happy Kits, what up? What's your thoughts on Apex 50K? Honestly, I think it's fine as long as you go with, like, if you're gonna pay 148 for a lifetime activation right now. Honestly, that's a little bit of a question mark for me. But I mean, it's 80% off right now on Apex, and it's like $33 for an eval. And then I would personally go with $85 monthly subscription, right? Obviously would really depends on what sort of a trader you are. You've been holding account for over 60 days, for example, then maybe it's better off with a lifetime. But I mean, if you are kind of like in that 15 to 30 days range and you kind of blow your accounts with a payout, then I would say monthly subscription and a $33 really kind of makes sense, because all in it's about 110 bucks, right? Kind of makes sense for me from that perspective. Miroski, what is up, Miroski? What is going on, man? How's your day? Mustafa in the house, man. Nicholas, Lon Milts. Apex best deal was the 8037 activation. But that $30, $37 activation was on the large accounts, right? That was for large accounts, guys. All right, guys, I am gonna try and go long right here. I'll pull back into the 883. Pull back into the 883. I'm gonna go long here. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. We're underneath all the EMAs. Makes me a little witchy. All right, guys, I'm gonna wait a little longer. What is up, Jay in the house? What is up, man? How did everybody do today? Hyung Shik Min, what up? Stock Tiger in the house, guys. By the way, everybody, remember, Stock Tiger goes live every day at 6 p.m. Eastern Time during the Asia Globex session. And I try my level best to go live during New York as well. I hope everybody had a great morning. I personally had a horrible and absolute disaster day. And of course, I don't want to go too much into details on what it is, how it ended up being so bad, but it's okay. Just one of those days, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna complain about it. You made 15,000, nice, man. Last minute lotto, holy smokers, no jokers, man. $15,000, what the hell are you trading? Faisal lost new take profit trader and then started trading like a Durham. Hey man, hey Faisal, I'm pretty sure you did better than I did, man. Guys, I need some love, man. I need some love. I had an absolute disaster day. I don't even want to think about it anymore. I lost my take profit trader accounts. I lost my funding ticks accounts last night and into this morning, and I don't know what happened. I lost my trade day account. I don't know. I lost a couple Apex accounts too, man. Not a okay day. Even though I really kind of felt like this was the kind of a price action that we all were looking for. It was meant to be a great day, but unfortunately, I don't know, man. It just did not happen. So. Just didn't happen, guys. Flex futures, yes. I tilted with 4 mini contracts. So if anybody is not tilted, that's great. You guys are doing fantastic, guys. I hope you guys did a lot better than I did. Yeah, I mean, I just wish I had a better day, to be honest, man. I don't know. I just felt... I kind of started off with, I think, my funded futures being a dumbass. But anyways, it is what it is. Jester, right. Mustafa said here that, well, it is what it is, man. Just one of those things, right? Guys, man, look at this. 890 was a pretty good idea to enter long. It looked easy today. The price action definitely looked easy, but I don't know, man. Something about this market today was just it was almost kind of better you just swing trade today. Today was the kind of day, I think, if you just entered long and just shut down your computer and just come back like 6 hours after, you would have probably been golden, I would imagine, right? And that was I think probably a better off that way, because you're kind of like getting out of all these noises in the market, right? but that was definitely not the case for me. So all right guys, it's a nice little bounce. I don't know what you guys think. We filled the gap and we're getting a bounce now. I'm looking for a little more pattern here. We got to get above this 905. Wow, look at this, guys, man. This rip your face off kind of continues through the Asia market. Can you guys believe that? What a rip today. Incredible, guys. It almost kind of felt like we were going to crapshoot all the way down. And then next thing you know, the market just did not know how to pull back, guys. And eventually, market ripped and squeezed everybody out, including myself. Rook Kit, what up, man? The bulls are relentless. Yeah, exactly, man. It was a tough monster. It was definitely a difficult day. And at the end, yeah, then Emmons, man. Oracle just killed it. The last punch was actually from the Oracles, man. They had a bad earnings, but the bad earnings, that was it. The bad earnings, but everything else was great. Yeah, I know, 26%, man. Jeez, 20% up on Oracle. Can you guys believe that? Incredible, incredible. That's insane. All right, guys, I'm waiting for a pattern. I'm scared to trade now. You guys know, when you have a bad day, and of course I did use my phone to trade. It's difficult. Sorry guys, I'm gonna take a look. So you mean Tradify? I think you meant Tradify. I'm not sure. Hi, Mr. Lee. How are you? Thank you for being a member, Mr. Lee, and thank you for being here as well. Oh, trade day. Okay, so you're talking about trade day? Yeah, I've got to get that fixed. Hold on one second, guys. I'm gonna get that fixed right now. Sorry about that. Thank you. I've got that fixed. J892 to what again? I think it's PPI tomorrow, if I'm not wrong. Is that PPI tomorrow? Let's take a look and see. Just want to make sure I'm looking at the right thing. Let's see, guys. Let's see, everybody. I'm gonna take a look at it right now. Oops, it's not showing. Tool economic calendar. So tomorrow we're gonna get PPI. Is that PPI tomorrow morning? All right, so it's a PPI tomorrow morning, guys. PPI, and there's not real meaningful events tomorrow really other than PPI, and then the crude oil inventory is coming out at about 10:30. So yeah, and then on Thursday is the PPI. I hope you guys are all ready for a rock and roll tomorrow. All right. So what am I looking at? This market, guys, sitting at 905. It's trying to get a nice, beautiful curl back up again. It looks like we got to continue moving here to the upside. Is this what this market's trying to do? Yeah. It was an easy bull flag continuation. Raj Tis, what is going on, man? What up? Is the world dumping the dollar? Really? I don't think the world's gonna dump dollar for sure. There's no chance of doing that, of that happening, really. Where's the dollar? Yeah, look at the dollar, guys. Not looking too bad. Dollar sitting at 97. We are actually just consolidating in this range. We haven't really broken anything. Dollar looking okay to my eyes. It almost kind of feel like we may try to break out pretty soon here. Or do we just have a break to the downside? Anyways, we are getting a nice little pop here to the upside, guys. I'm gonna try to... Ah, man, it's hard. Bruno Mars, put Pablo in the house, man. What is going on, man? JJ, what up? Gold stop loss. Oh, by the way, let's take a look at the gold. Are we going to dump on the gold? What do you guys think about the gold? What a huge monster move on gold. Incredible. You guys know we're kind of oversold in the gold right now as you speak. Can I actually trade gold or no? Let's take a look. Oh, I could. Because I could trade gold.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
All right, that's my gold.
Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working.
All right, back to the M&Q. Because I'm gonna try and short M&Q, guys. NQ. I wanna try and short NQ.
Order filled. Order filled. Order working. Order filled. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working.
There we go. I wanna try and short NQ, guys.
Order working. Order working.
Why do you have so many what game funding ticks? I only have 6 accounts with funding ticks. That's all you can have, funding ticks. So I lost some. I got some this morning. So frustrating that I've lost funding ticks accounts. That was like it's no brainer. It was funded accounts. I don't know, man. Like, I would have easily been a couple $100 up on my funded accounts with funding ticks, and 6 of them, and now I only have one funded account with funding ticks. So why did you go get it today? I mean, hey, it's not like you're getting about 40 or 50 accounts. It's like, you know, you're gonna get only about a couple. I didn't even think about the flash sale. Are they actually coming up with one? With after everything that just happened, I don't know if they're gonna be doing that though. Yeah, I've got one master now. One master, guys. I've got one master. I did not trade that master account today because I didn't want to make things any worse, so I ended up not trading that.
Order working. Order filled.
Nice point, Pablo, man. You're heading to LA. Nice, man. I hope you are having a safe trip. King L83 payout pending. How long does it take? Usually it's pretty fast. Just give them overnight, right? Give them overnight today, and I think everything will be settled. It goes to their Rice account, right? So I don't see a problem at all. To Chambel Michelle, what is up, man? Opportunity cost. Now we wait for another 3-4 just to get funded. I know that's the problem, right? That's the real big problem. You know, to Chambel Michelle actually pointed out very nicely. It's the opportunity cost, right? It's not really about just reloading accounts. That's one problem, but I mean the bigger problem is like you spend the time and energy in trading these accounts to the funded accounts, and then it's like you have to go back. Oh dear, guys, we're getting a gold pull back here. Wow, look at that gold pull back here. Down about $450 on my gold. Look at that, everybody. Incredible. Oh, not really, King 83. I mean, if you had, well, I only had one payout, and that was the first and the last one, right? Just make sure you set your parameters right, and then I think it should be good to go. You have to set up an account with Rice, right? And then they're gonna invite you to sign off on all the agreements, and then I think it should be fine. What is this gold pulling back here, guys? Is Apex worth it? I think it's worth it. I definitely think it's worth it. It is definitely worth it. I think it's much more worth it than my funded futures for sure. Point Pablo Nguyen, what is up, man? It's a road trip. Oh, nice, man. And not trading on the phone. Just be careful. Yeah, look, Jay's got payout 400,000 from Apex alone. Right? And who pays like that? What, I got a little less than what, 17,000 from my funded futures, and they can't even get their shit together. So Guitar Guide 1989, man. Do you need a Rice? I think it's hold on one second. I'm not sure. It's a Rice, or I think it's a Rice account if I'm not wrong. Was it Rice? I mean, it's so confusing, guys. Rice and Weiss, like, come on. Why does it have to be so difficult? Rice, why? They all look the same to me. I think it's Rice though. I think it's Rice. If I recall this right, I think it's Rice account, Rice Pay. What is up, 1G, man? What is going on, brother? Oh, really? It's Weiss? Rice. Simple setup. Hold on one second. I'll take a look at my Discord. I think it's Rice, man. Rice is right. Rice is right, everyone. Yeah, it's Rice, guys. All right, the gold trying to pull back here. What now, guys? The gold pulling back. I'm down about $400. And by the way, this is an eval account, so you just can't use your bank account. I don't think so. I think you have to use Rice Pay. Rice dynamics. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, everybody. We got a giveaway here today. Just want to make sure let you guys know. We got a giveaway, guys. We got an Apex account giveaway here tonight. We'll get some likes going here. Support the stream, guys. And let's see if I can make some decent trades here today. I definitely need to make a little bit of a U-turn from a trading perspective after being absolutely annihilated today. So let's let's pray for some good trades here today, guys. I entered short. I'm on a short side trade, but I mean, it's only with 4 contracts, right? Nothing really too biggie, to be honest. I took it off. I took some off. I mean, I don't know if I have to add to my position here to the downside, guys. I kind of feel like, we're kind of pulling back into the 870s. Wouldn't that be sort of a nice place to try and go long again? Right here. Is this what this market is trying to do right now? Man, I'm down quite a bit on this gold. Right? And the trend line support as well. So I think we probably get down to like this zone maybe. I don't know, what do you guys think? Or we try to break out. We try to break out, we get out of the zone, then I think we are kind of bullish as well. So I've got this 3 levels in watch right now. I still like it to the downside, but of course, man, this market has been obviously favoring the bulls so far. So it's because down about 474. Gold pulling back. I went long on gold. And we're getting a little pullback here in the gold. So Mustafa, I locked it on the Project X, so I cannot trade on my Billanox and my XFA, but I can still trade that on a Trade of 8. I blocked it on the other one, and thanks Mustafa for for knowing that. It's very obvious that you've been here every day with me, so I thank you so much. Oh, Helen, what up, man? Hey, Helen, I saw your PNL. Great job, brother. Great job. Yeah, I'm glad to see you do well, for sure. I'm glad. I did not buy any, Jay. I did not buy any account other than funding ticks today. I just not even have energy to do anything other than just keep losing. And I kind of got really exhausted at some point. I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna trade anymore. But I ended up buying funding ticks to kind of, because I'm trying to treat funding ticks very what do you call this, like a very important account. Man, look at this freaking gold, guys, man. What is going on with the gold? I'm taking funding ticks very seriously, so I've got to have 6 accounts with funding ticks, and I've got to get that habitual weekly payout. Jeez, guys, man, what is going on with the gold? I mean, blow this account or what?
Order rejected. Order cancelled. Order working. Order filled. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order working.
What's the best package? I'm going with the 50K Pro Plus with 1K payout cap. That's what I'm going after. I've only paid about 65 bucks on that account, but it's a 1K payout cap though. So that's what I do right now. Let's get a little pullback here in the overall market, so I can kind of like scale into my trade to the long side, guys. That's what I plan to do here. And of course, I'd like to see a little bounce back again. KL, man, gold dumping because dollar looks like about to pop. Oh dear. Bowser in the house, man. What is up, Captain Price? J Andreas. Jen Rick, what is up, man? Let's go, baby. All right, so getting a little bounce in the gold looks like, but not a great looking chart, to be honest. So maybe a little curl back up in the gold. I may just exit my trade in gold because, of course, it's very unpredictable. NQ obvious moon. Yeah, man, NQ is just crazy, guys. What a silly NQ. No shorts allowed. That's right. Incredible. Incredible, guys. Look at this. W bounce, trying to break out of this pivot too right now. And I would like to really get out of my gold trade. Even if I'm down, I'd like to get out of that trade and just put a focus back into my NQ. But look at this gold, guys, just trying to tank or what now? I think if that thing tank, it's gonna go pretty fast, pretty hard. Aggressive sell off, maybe stepping into gold or what now? And keep trying to get a call back up again. Let's see if I can get some out of this gold. Gold down only about 176 now all of a sudden. Holy man, this thing actually moves, eh? You could actually be quite significantly down in gold if you're on the wrong side of the trade. But now I'm only down about 150. Let's see if we can actually get a little more push here to the upside. Let's see if we get it right now, guys, on the gold. Am I gonna get a chance to get out of my gold trade, or is it just going to get pretty close to just about the level? So I'm gonna end up obviously holding, and the next thing you know, the gold ends up pulling back. Well, once again, we'll find out, guys. Down about 80 bucks, down about 100 bucks now, back down again. 176. Pretty interesting price action so far. It's kind of like a chop. I mean, what a move here today. This morning was incredible. Incredible today, guys. I may have to exit my gold trade here. I just need a little more, man. Holy, you've got to be kidding me, guys. That's all I need. Look at my line. I'm right at 36.63. And this gold, now it's going to start to tank because it does not want me to take anything out. Look at this gold, guys. My entry here right at 36.63. And this market is at right at 6.62. It's not going to give me anything right now. Let's see if we get something out of this right now, guys. Oh, do I actually have a chance of getting out? Let's see if I can actually get out. Do I get a chance to get out of my trade? We're gonna find out. Come on. Oh, maybe I have a chance of getting out. Holy, hey guys, look at that, Stark Tiger making some move here today after getting completely annihilated this morning. Oh, maybe I'm getting something out of this. Should I exit my trade? I think I should. Wow, $100. Wow, incredible. Guys, I exited that trade. All right, guys, I exited my gold trade. That was not bad. I mean, a small little gain. Nothing compared to what happened this morning for sure. Nothing.
Order filled.
Kid Poker, what up? Kid Poker in the house, man. What is going on, Kid Poker? Man, I don't think I've seen you in a while, Kid Poker. I hope you're doing well. How's everybody's day, guys? How did everybody do today? To give you guys a little perspective, guys, on what is up with my accounts. I'm gonna go very quick on this account stats right now. Once again, we're full of digit ideas today. I'm gonna digest I was so close to smashing my kid poker. Calabram MX, what up, man? Mike Champ lost $1,400 in the last 7 days. Well, I lost $1,400 in a single day, so I don't know if that's gonna make you feel any better, but I mean, the point I'm trying to make is that's okay. Yeah, so to give you guys a little perspective right now, hold on one second. Do we have enough numbers? Guys, go ahead and post your numbers, right? We got a giveaway here today, Apex account giveaway, and you guys can go ahead and start posting your numbers now, right? You guys want to be ahead of everybody else with your magic number, you might as well just do it right here, right now. Go ahead and post it. I'm gonna post my what do you call this, my Discord link as well right now. 1 second, guys.
Order filled.
All right, here's my Discord link. You guys are most welcome to do that right now while this market is kind of like chopping. All right, just keep in mind, guys, we got 45 already allocated for dude 45. He's got this big banner on our Discord right now, so keep that in perspective. Anyways, guys, so to let you guys know, I lost my Tech Profit Trader Pro account. I also almost ended up losing my another pro account today, which it's unbelievable. It's kind of funny right now. It's kind of funny. I'll let you guys know what happened is green Trump red, you lost you 50k Tech Profit Pro account today, but made 3k. Well, yeah, I mean, hey, at least you made 3k on the rest of the other 150k pro accounts. So I think you're doing just fine, bro. You lost one, I mean, but you made a huge profits on the other two, so that's great. But this account that I've got right now, the pro account, this was pretty close to getting blown because I only had about 140 bucks drawdown, man. I was down like $1,700 this morning, and then it was like I only had 140. I thought I ended up losing this account. Then it went back to my break even, and then I exited my trade. I said I don't want to be part of this mess ever again. I ended up exiting my trade at the break even, but I was down about $1,700, man, and I only had 140 drawdown on this. I kind of got saved on this account. I would have ended up losing 2 instead of 2. I ended up losing 1, and I lost 1 eval on Tech Profit Trader as well today. My funded futures, this is my last piece of account that I can trade, and after that, because I can't go live because they're you got to be a resident of Ontario or else you can't do that. And I've been so good with my funded futures. I probably think my funded futures I probably did the best. I probably did the best in the last month and a half, and I do kind of understand why my funded futures does not want me to trade their sim ever again, because it was just too good. I honestly did too good. I ended up losing 2 less, and I ended up making too much. And it's definitely one of those things where firms are gonna get a little nervous, right? So anyways, that's what happened. This is my last sim funded account. After that, if I get to the 5th payout, they're gonna close this account and I'm done with my funded futures. All right, so that's there on my funded futures. And then Apex, I lost like 4 accounts today, man. I lost 4. That includes last night as well. So I lost, but I also made. But overall, it's a kind of a mixed bag as far as the funded accounts goes. But not a great day with Apex as well. Not good. I'm not happy. I'll be honest, but I'll take it. I had quite a few accounts over $3,000 of profit in total. So I think I've got about 8 accounts to over $3,000 in total profits, right? So maybe if I can get another few days of say couple $100 in each of these accounts every day for the next few days, maybe I get a full payout, like full max payout, right? 2k. Maybe the 2k payout in each of these accounts will probably get me to about $13,000 of payout request, and assuming with 20-30% of them getting denied, maybe, you know, it's gonna be like 10k. But hey, that's still better than none. So we'll look forward to the Apex payout, guys, pretty soon here. It's already been like 6 day trading on these accounts, and I did not flip any of these accounts in any of these days as well. So I think it should be fine. My funding ticks, I lost a few, and I ended up reloading a few accounts, and I tried to trade those accounts again. Now I've got 6 accounts with 1 funded account with them. So maybe another 2 days of trading the eval account with, and also on top of that making less mistake. Potentially I would see myself being with 6 funded accounts with funding ticks in the next 2 to 3 days. And it's luckily it's not like we still have a lot of days to trade during the month of September, so I look forward to really trading well with funding ticks, just like the way I did with my funded futures. So I'm gonna treat this very, very seriously, and I honestly look forward to doing exceptionally well with funding ticks. So we'll look forward to that. Hopefully we do really well and get to a lot of payouts, guys. I'm trying to make this like every week payout with my funding ticks, so it's gonna be very important. Something else that I wanted to let you guys know is my Bullanox accounts. So my Bullanox accounts, I did not Bullanox accounts. Luckily, I did not end up blowing any accounts today, guys. Wow, that's one good news, and I'll tell you why that happened. And something great about the Project X is that you have an opportunity to lock yourself out. So when you're on a tilt mode, when you get pissed, you tend to have this mentality of, okay, what next, right? What else can I blow, right? But I could not do that with Bullanox accounts because I've already traded those accounts, and I was already up. So I made a manual lockout, and I could not trade these accounts anymore this morning. So that was a great thing about this Project X Bullanox, and I'm happy that I ended up locking it out, so I cannot blow this account. So that was good. I have 3 funded accounts with the 3 funded accounts with Bullanox, and those 3 accounts with Bullanox are actually looking pretty good. Like I got $1,300 of profits on it, and I'm not going aggressive at all in this Bullanox account. So I look forward to trading Bullanox accounts in the next while, maybe a week or 2, and really try to see if I can get to a payout, guys, before the month is over. And that's gonna be my first payout from Bullanox this year. You guys know I haven't taken any payouts from Bullanox this year, and that's embarrassing. Finally, I get a chance to do that this month. I would love to do that. I'm absolutely stoked to do well and do great with Bullanox accounts. So I'm gonna try and see if I can actually get to more funded accounts with them as well. I've got 3 right now. I'll try to make it 5 or 6 before the month is over with a couple payouts as well. So we'll look forward to that. Top step, I've got 2 XFA right now. I've got 2 XFA accounts. I lost one. I think I lost 1 combine yesterday, or 1 combine a few days ago. So I did not load in any accounts with Top Step, because instead of Top Step, I'm trying to move myself back to the funding ticks, right? So I've only got 2 XFA right here, right now, and this is what I'm trading. And I've got $1,000 of profits on one of my XFA, and the other one, this is the account that I've been trading for about 40 days now. I think maybe a little less than 40 days, but I mean, it's $2,000 of profit. I'm going to show you guys a little stat about this account. This is the account, guys. This is the month of September. It's only been 9 days, and I've been trading 9 days straight without missing any of these days. And these are my profits. Did I trade today? No. Actually, I traded last night. This is the 167 I made last night during Asia, and I'm happy that I did a personal lockout, and I couldn't trade this as well, just like the Billinox one. I could not trade this today. If I ended up trading this today, maybe I would have ended up losing my account. So I'm lucky in a sense that I locked myself out and I could not trade this account anymore, and I've got all in green, you know, all in green. And the month of August was all green as well, and the month of July was all green. So it's like green, green, green 3 months in a row with no red days. So I look forward to, I'm kind of thinking about what to do with this account. Should I try to, I may try to swing trade, get a little aggressive, and either I get to about 10k in profits, or I end up losing this account. You know what I mean? I've only got $2,000 of profits on this account, so I don't know if it's making sense for me to kind of like look for a payout anymore on this account with this balance being only so much. You know what I mean? So I may have to get a little aggressive. I may end up blowing this account, so we're gonna have to wait and see, guys. I may end up blowing because I want to get to a bigger profits. 160 bucks or 150 bucks of profits isn't gonna you know, it isn't gonna do anything to this so anyways, that's that. So just coming back to my, where's my funding ticks, guys? All right, here we go. My funding ticks, we are trying to call back up again, guys. So that's my little recap on what happened today. I hope all of you had a great one. Jamie, what up, Jamie? Green, Trump, red in the house, man. What is going on? Henry, this is a good area to sell your gold. I already sold my gold, guys. I'm out of my gold trade in profits, but I didn't want to get cooked on that gold trade, so I ended up exiting my trade, guys, on the gold. What's the activation fee for Apex right now? I think it's so you're paying 80% for eval, so that's $33, but then you have to pay 145, I think, for a activation, or you pay $85 for monthly subscription as well. So either one of the two. Kelly, man, yeah, bro, they're good for, just keep in mind their payout rule. I'm not crazy about the 60%. Yeah, funding ticks is definitely a good replacement for me. So I'm completely, so far I'm kind of happy with funding ticks so far, so we'll see what happens. Oh, it's 105 for trade of 8. Yeah, that's right, 105. That's for a month. All right, I see. Yeah, that's right. Sorry, man, it's not 85. That's 85 is for arithmetic. But the gold is pumping now. Really? Oh my, jeez, guys, man, I don't even know what happened there. Maybe I should have just left my gold. Oh yeah, I did explain about my take profit trade as well. I ended up losing 1 pro account today, 1 eval on take profit trader, and on top of that, this take profit trader pro account that I have here with me, I almost ended up losing this account because I had only about 130 bucks drawdown remaining on this, and then I somehow magically I got lucky, went back to break even, and I ended up exiting my trade, and the pro account got saved. So I'm trying to, I may end up getting 3 pro accounts. I've got 1 right here right now, but maybe in the next few days I get 3 in total. We'll see how that goes, guys. I wanted to, my goal for the starting September was to have 5 pro accounts to start and have about 3 to 4 past accounts as a backup, right? But I am definitely struggling right now with take profit trader, so a bit unfortunate, but sometimes it is what it is. Kelly, so you get 90% split of your 60%, so really you're only getting about half of your profits. Yeah, that's way better than Top Step. That's way better than Top Step. What else do you want? Like, are you looking for 90% of the total profits you can get? Henry, what up, man? Michael Nguyen. Bob Watson in the house, man. NLT. Mike. Vinny Lee. Banned from my fund futures? Not banned. They just don't want me to move back to the sim funded account because I was too good. And yeah, I mean, I did pretty well, to be honest, man. Like I told you guys again, I did too good. Too good to believe, to be honest, with my funny futures. But I think they're acting stupid though. I think they're acting stupid, but it's okay. So it is what it is. Every firm's gonna have their own rules, so there's nothing much I can do. Yeah, I think they're freaking dumb. Anyways, it is what it is, guys. Not trading my for the futures anymore. Anyways, so it's all good. Funding ticks way better, so big up funding ticks, and I'm most probably gonna go live with Top Step, but at least the Top Steps give me a lot of options. So far because I don't have enough balance on the on my account, so instead of moving live right now, they've given me some time to kind of work on my account. And then if I end up blowing that account, then I just continue what I'm doing right now, back to the same funded account. If I end up getting my balance over 5K, then they're gonna have to move me back to live. So it's like, you know, they give you a lot of options, real practical options. Yeah, I was too consistent. That's right. Yeah. But I mean, keep in mind, my what do you call this? My Top Step here, I've got $1,900, man. I think as soon as I get to 5K, like I'm gonna get forced to move to live. Unfortunately, I already got an email from Top Step saying we're gonna have to move you to live, but because your balance is only so much right now. We're gonna give you an option 1, option 2, option 3. So hey, we have lots of options and a very practical, realistic options we have in the tables. So I'm totally okay with that. I'm okay to work with that for sure. Nicolas Gomez Mochaccino, what up, man? Mike Chavs, do you do better? I've never traded live accounts. I don't know. I'm gonna have to wait and see. But it looks like I'm getting pretty close to like slowly moving to live on a lot of these firms. So I honestly, personally, I don't like that idea, but right. But we still have a lot of firms to trade, guys. You know, I know that funding ticks is there for me. I've got Apex, I've got Top Step, I've got Take Profit Trader. I've got to do better with Take Profit Trader for sure. And then I'm looking for something else as well, guys. I will definitely need your help along the way, right? I'm looking for new firms to kind of work with, right? Other than the firms that I'm kind of working right now, I will need something else. And I'm kind of thinking Funded Next is one. Funded Next is one. If you guys feel like there's something else that's even better, I would love to hear from you guys. Because I need 1 or 2 more firms. Oh, by the way, yeah, it's gonna be Tradify for sure. 1, I'm gonna be trading Tradify more aggressively going forward, very, very aggressively. Yeah, no, I've got to step into Tradify completely. But their offer right now, it's for, I think it's $97 for the growth challenge, right? So it's not too cheap. I'll be honest, man. It's not as cheap. I would like it to be a little cheaper. But like I said again, guys, I would love to hear from you guys, and I would honestly appreciate so much you guys helping me with finding the right firm to trade. right? I would really appreciate it, guys. You know, you guys helping me out with the right firms, because I want to make sure I'm trading with the right firm. I don't want to be trading with something and then it's like, you know, it screws up my whole journey. Honestly, man, I can't believe by trading so well on one of the firms, this is what I get. Now we know what to do, guys. Trade just enough. You don't have to be that great. Vinny Lee, man, Tradify also only moves Ontario people to live. But okay, I see. Yeah, don't you worry, Vinny Lee. I'm gonna blow that account. I'm gonna blow that account before we even get to live. So, Bolsita, what up, man? Yeah, hey, man, guys, what is going on, man? What is going on, everybody? Any good discounting codes, Mike Henson? We got a lot of well, I don't think it's the most aggressive offers compared to last month. Last week of last month was pretty crazy. Everything was just like discounts over discounts and over again. So, oh yeah, that's definitely a dream, man. Tech Profit Trader Pro Plus. Yeah, I think we have few traders doing that right now on our Discord. By the way, we got a live trader with Tradify. Where the hell is Nick go? Let me just sneak into my Discord just to make sure if Nick is there. Maybe he's hiding somewhere. I don't know. Maybe he's. I can almost tell you. I can almost bet that Nick is gonna come out like 2 hours after, right? And he's gonna show his P&L with $20,000 of profits he made today. Watch. All right. Watch. He's gonna do that. He's already done that today, man. Freaking great trader. Absolutely monster trader, man. Look at this, guys. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Nico says $20,000, no effing around today. Incredible, man. Incredible, bro. Like, this is insane. We got Helen doing perfect too. Look at this Helen. Express account, man. Look. This is what it's all about. Helen making the move here. Great trades, man. Excellent. Apex one as well. Top step. Guys, man. Great job. Great job. Lots of great trades. We got Uno Med. Funded accounts with funding ticks. Incredible. Over $3,000 of profits on each of these accounts. Can you guys believe that? This is exactly what I was looking for. This is what I wanted to be today. Not today, I mean in the last few days. Definitely an inspiration, guys. Great job, Unamed. Guys, if you guys don't mind, just keep posting your P&L. You know, it really gives a sense of motivation to a lot of traders like myself. A lot of newer traders as well, right? So, look, this is another funding ticks on a funded account for Bobat Willie Trades Futures. Great job, brother. That's a lot of profits on that account. Continue doing what you're doing. That's pretty close to getting the payout now. Holy, hopefully this funding ticks actually survives. You got a lot of payouts coming out for funding ticks. A lot of traders here in our Discord. So, all right, are you guys done putting your numbers in? Just keep posting your numbers, guys. Holy, there you go. See, we're getting something right now, but instead of getting a P&L, we got a chicken sandwich. Holy, ooh, look at that. Wow, look at that burger. It doesn't look like chicken though. It almost kind of looked like a turkey. But anyways, I think both are okay. Alright guys, we are down. We are getting a little push to the downside in this market, guys. I'm looking for a target, an average. Expect to pull back into the 875s before you get some sort of a bounce, I guess, right? So maybe a pull back into the 870s. I'm gonna try and continue adding my trades And I'm in a micro, by the way, so I've already placed my limit orders pretty close to where we are right now, so full tilt futures, what up, man? How much is that? Like 69 bucks? What are you talking about? Full tilt. Ralph, what is going on, man? Gold looking insane. Oh my god. Oh my guys. Hold on, guys. What is up with this gold? Let's try to go long. I tell you what, guys, we are now gonna start to get a pullback in gold. You know the drill. You guys know the reason why. Because I'm long right here right now. That's a V-shaped bounce, man. That's a pretty significant V-shaped bounce. Oh my. Look at that push, everybody. Incredible. I should have gotten to this goal a little bit earlier. Vinny Lee in the house, man. Tiger can never say no to gold. I know, man. Look, I told you guys. I told you. So as soon as Stock Tiger goes long, this is what happens. Wow, look at this beautiful pullback here. Nice. What a beautiful entry as well. Great job, Stock Tiger. All right, guys, moving back to the NQ. JC Treats in the house. What up? King L83, what is going on, man? You've been restricting yourself with FOMO lately. Yeah, I mean it's hard, right? It's hard to kind of restrict yourself. That's the big part of a challenge, I guess, for a lot of traders, including myself. Zero in the house. What is up, man? Christian M, what up? Yeah, hey. Oh, did you say? Well, I didn't hear you say anything before. Too bad. Maybe I should have seen that. So we're just gonna go. Excuse me. Are we just gonna get a V-shape pullback here now? We had a V-shape bounce, and now we gotta pull back down into the 62s again. Guys, man, please speak English. I don't understand what he's saying. Chat M, are you auditioning for Saved by the Bell? What does that mean? Tiger, did you get invite from TS? Yeah, I just showed you right now. I just showed you my email. I just showed you. I'm gonna show it to you again. Jeez, guys, man, what a beautiful pullback in gold. Incredible. Hold on 1 second, guys, man. 1 second, guys. What is going on with this gold? Jeez, man.
Order filled. 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 Order rejected. 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 Order rejected.
Oh, press the wrong button. 1 second, guys. I've got to sell the ask. Right now we are back up again, so alright, guys, one more push. Let's go, baby. Come on, just get it up to 75 so I can take my profits off the table. I think that's definitely enough. Yeah, absolutely, I agree. Oh my, you've got to be kidding me, guys. Is this going to be down? I just need one green bar, but guess what this market's gonna do? I'll be surprised if we get a bounce. I will be surprised. Look at that, guys. I knew it. This market's not gonna give it to me. We know the drill, guys. We've been here. We've been doing this for a while now. We've been doing this for a while now. We know exactly what this gold is gonna do for Stock Tiger right now. It's okay, guys. We're used to it. I'm used to it. I don't know if you guys are, but I'm used to it for sure. Ralph, what up, man? Holy, man. King L83, look at you. Adrian, what up? I honestly, I'm not sure if they're gonna. I'm gonna first wait. I'm not gonna go try to be too much ahead of myself. I'm gonna first of all try to see if I can get my balance over 5k. If not, then that account's gonna get blown. And guess what? If that accounts get blown, then there's no more live accounts. There's no real point of talking about Ontario or anything else. You know what I mean? So, oh, by the way, guys, I'm up. Hold on 1 second, guys.
Working. Order 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 filled. Order filled. Order working. Filled. Order working. Order working. Order filled. Order working. Order filled. Order working. Order filled. Order filled. filled.
Hey man, that was pretty good one. I'll take it. But I think, you know, I kind of like gold to the upside, by the way. I don't know if you guys do too, but just going back to 30-minute chart, we're actually hitting that major level of resistance here at the 80, guys. So I don't know if this market really has what it takes to get a bounce from here. So this is going to be a pretty big one, right? But here we go. We got a big level. We got to get past this in order to kind of feel a lot more bullish. But we got a nice little pullback from here, 70.15 all the way down to the 636.52, and now we're getting a nice little V-shaped bounce. But do we have what it takes to keep pushing here back up again into the 36.90? What do you guys think? So far it does look like it wants to get a bounce. Wow, look at this gold, guys. It looks incredibly nice. Oh, Tristan M, you are swing trading gold? Really? You got stopped out because my original entry was oversized. Yeah, that's what happens to me all the time. It's just, I think it's the contract size, man. We have to really find a way to downsize, man. We really have to find a way to downsize. Monica, thank you so much for being here. Monica, we'll see you tomorrow, Monica. How was your day, Monica? I didn't hear anything from you today. I have a problem with downsizing. I'm gonna have to admit. I definitely have a problem with downsizing. Guys, I'm gonna go grab some water because I'm feeling a little exhausted, if you will. All right, guys, I do kind of feel like we're having still. We got a nice little bounce. It almost kind of like feels like, you know, we find a way to break out of this level. Oracle is still up 26%, I think, if I'm not wrong. Let's take a look at the Oracle here for a moment. Oracle up 27%, guys. Man, I can't believe that, guys. 238 close. Oracle is up at $306 now. Incredible. Literally up about $65 on a single stocks, man. And this is like a mid-cap stock. It's not a small. The market cap is like 680 bucks. $680 billion. This is almost like a mega cap, and yet it's up 27%. It's a parabolic bull. Like, what is going on here, guys, man? This market does not care. This market absolutely does not care. It only knows one thing: to move up. I think that's what it's all about, guys, right now. Incredible. I'm not in gold anymore. Unless you guys want me to get into gold. I kind of like gold to the upside, to be honest, man. This bounce actually is looking pretty good. This bounce almost kind of makes me think it's something like this. You know what I mean? I almost kind of feel like, you know, we got some leg here to the upside. Should we try to go long gold, guys? Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna try and long. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and long, but I'm gonna try and scale in this time instead of trying to step in aggressively right off the bat. You know what I mean? So this is what I plan to do here. I'm gonna scale into my trades, try to see if we get a pull back down into the 70s, and then get a bounce back again. How often can you cash out? You have to have 10 trading days with Billanox to get the payout. So. D, what up, man? How many days with Funded Next? I haven't traded with Funded Next, so I don't know. We'll find out, guys. Once I start trading, I'll let you guys know. So far, I'm still waiting for a decent offer from Funded Next. I haven't got that yet, so. Guys, go ahead and post your numbers. Post your numbers, guys. We'll probably get the giveaway going very soon. Where's my account? Alright, guys, I'm still long gold. I kind of like gold to the long side, guys. I think gold is what it's gonna move today. So let's sort of pay our attention into the gold trades here today. How many days? Oh, you just passing the Vel. Nice, man. Trade D, good job, bro. Do you like Funded Next? Oh, somebody mentioned about something. Final countdown. You mentioned Elite Trader. What is? How much are we paying for a 50k account for Elite Trader? I don't know. I do see a lot of ad coming from Elite Traders, but I haven't really seen them. I haven't really traded at all. I don't even have an account with Elite Trader. Never traded with them, but I heard some good stuff about them. Maybe you guys can let me know. Wow, this gold is just not pulling back here, guys. Not giving me a chance to get into a trade. I wanted to see a little pullback here, but we're not getting any of that sort right now. I'm only in 2 micro. I want to get into this trade on a pullback here into the 72s. And try to hop on along here a little more aggressively. What a nice, beautiful V-shape bounce. That's a beautiful slingshot bounce, guys. I kind of feel like this could be a bottoming process play out. Right here, pull back, get a push, get a pull back again. And do something like that, right? Maybe not as deep as this. Maybe a pullback right into this zone, 72. And then give us that beautiful trend line support play out. I don't know what you guys think. This could be what it's trying to do right now. I like this idea, to be honest. Or can this be a bearish head and shoulders kind of playing out as well? No, I don't see that happening right now. Honestly, I don't see that. But we also have a resistance we got to think about too. That's right here. Right, we got some sub-level of resistance here. And that's the pivot. That's the EMA resistance as well. We're gonna have to wait and see. 82, guys. Do we have really what it takes to get a bounce off this 82? Right off the bat, maybe get some sort of a pullback before we actually do that. So all right, I'm looking for some sort of a pullback here, guys. Not gonna chase this bad boy right now. Andreas Jendrik, man, what is up, man? It's fat profit. Nice. JC trades long 36.73. 73. You're long from 73. Wow. Yeah, you've been banking for sure. Depends on how many contracts you actually got in with. Uncapped payouts, 100% profit split. Who are you talking about? Pro Lucky Crypto, what up? Nejmu. Mike Chef, you just lost all your accounts with that NMQ drop. Really? I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you, brother. Oh, we are pulling back here to NQ. All my orders actually ended up getting filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order working. Order working. Order filled. 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 Order rejected. Order rejected.
There we go. There we go, guys. I go by orders. So this is another level. We get a rejection here. We go back down to the 870s.
Order working. 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 Order working.
I'm trading gold. Trying to see if you get a little pullback in gold and maybe a little bit of a dead cat bounce in the gold. Sorry, in NQ. Funded next is 100% profit split, really? With an uncapped payout? Really? That's quite interesting. I definitely did not hear about that. Definitely did not hear anything about that. You wanna participate on a giveaway? Just hop on our Discord and type in your number between 1 to 150 to give yourself a chance to participate on our giveaway, guys. I'm sharing the Discord link again. Chris Stamper, I told you funded next all day. So I think you're paying about $129 though for a 50k account. So what account you should be going with funded next, and how much are you actually paying? Oh my god, guys, look at this pullback here. All right, I still have lots of drawdowns. I'm not panicking, but I mean, this is not good, guys. Are you pulling back in gold? Sorry, in NQ. I'm gonna have to cut loose on this one right now. Holy, look at this. That's a pretty aggressive pullback here. You're pulling back in the gold as well. Twist your name. You got 31 long contracts. What are you talking about? Are you talking about micro gold? Jeez, holy mochaccino. Oh, Michael G in the house, man. What is up, Michael G? Yeah, holy mochaccino. There you go. Oh, guys, something's going on right now. I kind of smell a pullback in gold. That's what I see. Oh dear, guys. Oh dear, guys, we are getting a pullback in gold right now. Let's see if we get a little bounce in the NQ. Lots of stuff going on here, guys. Something is not looking right. I'm gonna exit my gold trade here for a moment.
Order cancelled.
I exited my gold trade completely. I'm gonna have to scale down a little bit. This market seems like it's up to something right now. I kind of feel like this market is up to something right now, guys. Maybe a big flush, something like that. You know what I mean? Like, this is probably one of the more a quick pullback right off the bat that we've got in a little while now. Asian market, of course, always kept moving to north, right, on a bounce. And today just feels a little different. Today kind of feels like it's kind of weak. Something is fishy. We just cracked underneath a very important EMA support. We may get a little dead cat bounce. I may try to exit my trade on a little bounce that we get, if we get, that is. If we get a bounce back into or where my entry is, I will probably end up exiting my trade right there. This is not looking pretty okay, at least to my books. I exited my gold trade because I was kind of a little nervous about getting into two open positions and all both down as well. So spicy, guys. Something is cooking underneath the surface. We're gonna have to find out what it is, guys. Everybody, soldiers, let's go find out what is going on right now under the surface. We're about to witness something big. Hoo-dia! Tomorrow is a big day. Absolutely, I'm not gonna disagree. We got a PPI tomorrow, guys. It's not a PP, it's a PPI. Okay, it's a big deal tomorrow, everybody. I hope you guys all gonna be safe tomorrow. I honestly am thinking about just staying away from trading tomorrow. Just focus on my everyday stuff that I do, my personal stuff. Not get into any silly-milly trades and get cooked left, right, and center. Because tomorrow is gonna be like whipsaw. It's gonna be like 100 points up, 100 points down, and then it's gonna be like 200 points up and 400 points down, and then finally it's gonna rip your face off and just go 600 points to the upside. It's gonna like cook everybody out. Oh dear, I don't want anybody getting chopped in that move. You too stressed? I'm not stressed at all. Oh, 20 points. Okay, that's right. Yeah, I mean 20 points right now, it's a pretty big deal, right? We're not in New York, we're in Asia. Okay, so 20 points in literally about 10 minutes, not a little deal. I think that's a pretty significant move. Exaggeration. Oh, all right, guys. All right. Okay. Oh, pull back here. Wow, what a deep pullback here. Guys, 1 second. I'm just going to go grab some water. I'll be right back, guys. Gold? What am I supposed to do with gold? Gold is definitely getting a pullback. But are you guys telling me we should be hopping on a long right at this level here, which is around 50% retracement of the last swing high? Oh, I see. So we are right at the 50% right now. Yeah, I don't think guys, if you guys already locked in a number, that's fine. Sell zone? I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to wait for a move in this NQ first before I can try to step into my trade with the
Order working. Order filled.
All right, guys. I got into one mini contract with the with one of the account. And where's the other one? And by the way, guys, this does not belong to me. This accounts, it's not mine. These are some random accounts that got stuck in my dashboard. Not a dashboard, my Tradevate dashboard. That's weird. They're trying to take it away, take them out. They're having a little hard time. I don't know why, but I'm trading. Well, just going back between MNQ and NQ. To be honest, it's nothing. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It depends. So I'm here right now, trading. I've got two open positions, one with one of the accounts and one with the other. Both are funding ticks. Trading the eval account, trying to see if I can actually get some move. But so far, I don't know, man. It's just not looking that great. We'll see if this, see if we get a little bounce in the MNQ, including the NQ. And as we get a bounce in this MNQ, of course, my NQ is gonna look a lot better. Oh, Dan Ammons, yeah, you're right. We got 30 more minutes for Tokyo to open, which obviously is the Asia. So we still have 30 more minutes for the open, guys. That's gonna get pretty interesting. I don't know where it's gonna take us. With Oracle already up so much, it's already up 27%. And so we're gonna have to wait and see. The equity market, guys, man, it closes about in about 20 more minutes, guys. That's the equity, right? So you can still trade equities right now as we speak. Obviously, it really depends on the brokers that you use, but the brokers that I use right now, I can still buy and sell equities, guys. So technically, if I was in Oracle, I can sell now. If I was in right before the earnings, which obviously I'm not. I can't believe this, guys, man. This market is incredibly not making sense. But hey, do they really care? No. Nobody really cares about what I think. They just want to keep moving here to the upside, so that's all that really matters. Just my style. What up, man? Did you miss the drawing for the contest? No, you haven't missed. Just go ahead and just push your number, bro. Guys, go ahead and push your number on our Discord between 1 to 150, guys. to give yourself a chance of participation on this giveaway, and that's the Apex 300k account giveaway. And let's smack that like, everybody. Let's get the likes. Pump the likes, everyone. If you guys haven't done so, if you guys want to support the stream. Over 315 viewers right now. Let's take a look and see if we got a lot of numbers already posted on our Discord, guys. We got quite a few numbers there. Not really. We don't really have. Oh, we actually do. Sorry, I lied. We have a lot of numbers. Oh, holy! We got a lot of numbers, guys. We have lots of numbers. You know, no numbers. All right, just continue posting while we try to navigate through this trade that I'm kind of stuck right now. And this MNQ, everybody. ASI Fly, what is up, man? US stocks is basically 24 hours. There are overnight sessions as well. What? US stocks basically 24 hours? I don't think so. Which broker allows you to trade 24 hours on your equities? From what I understand, the equities you can trade, what I have here, you can trade till 8 p.m. Eastern time and trade back again at 4 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, Interactive Brokers allows you to trade until 8 p.m. Eastern time and trade back again at 4 a.m. Eastern time, right? So you still have about you still have 8 hours gap between reopening of the equities. Really? Webull allows you 24 hours trading? Oh, guys, man, look at this pump in this. Holy Mochaccino, guys. Look at that, guys. Isn't that real? Wow, look at that, guys. All we had to do was just blindly just go long. That's what it's all about. That's really all we had to do. Incredible. Are we gonna continue pushing here, guys?
Order working. Order filled.
Nowadays you can trade overnight, really? Oh, I see. Okay. I guess that's in the US though, not in Canada. But the spread's also gotta be extremely bad too, right? If you try to buy, you probably have to place a limit order kind of thing.
Order filled.
Guys, man, all of my orders got filled here, so I'm out of this trade now. Gold trying to get a bounce, but not looking that strong though. I kind of feel like the price action with NQ is a lot better than the. I like the price action in this NQ better.
Order working.
You guys, I went long again. I'm hopping on a long again at 886 on NQ. Looking for a target into the 900, guys. Looking for maybe to fill the gap to the upside, guys. I think we opened what again here? Yeah, we actually filled the gap. We filled the gap and then we pushed up and we called back down again. So here we are again, guys. My order got filled. We got a little bit of resistance. We got to get past this. I don't know if we have what it takes right now to get a bounce though. I do kind of feel like we're gonna call back up again, so I really want to go long here, guys. I've got 3 contracts here, guys. 3 contracts. I've got 3 contracts, everybody. Blew up all other accounts and now waiting for Take Profit Trader to promote my eval to fund it. Michael Nguyen, you blew all your other accounts when this morning? Sorry to hear that, brother, man. It was a tough market. It sounds easy. I'll tell you what, guys, man. It sounded easy. You look at the chart now, now, everything looks so easy. But then when you're there trading this morning, man, it was tough. Tell you what. Take Profit Trader to promote. Yeah, and at least, hey, man, at least you had the funded account, Take Profit Trader Pro account. So that's, wow, look at this dump, guys. Holy. Is this real? Are we getting a pullback here? Oh, we got Tokyo in 10 more minutes.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order working. Order working. Order working. Order cancelled. Order working. Order working. Order working.
All right, let's see what happens now, guys. I'm long. I'm thinking. I'm being a little aggressive. Obviously, because the market obviously is a lot slower too, right? So within that chop, I went long 4 mini contracts. Okay, Poker, what is up, man? Phil, you blew 2 funded accounts this week. One was above the buffer as well. Oh man. Wow. To lose an account that's above the buffer, I've done that a few times in the last couple weeks, but not feel good for sure. Chet M, you're trading against the hourly. It's okay. Kid Poker, is this thing ever going to effing dummy? Oh, is that you? Trade with Nick is here in the house. It was easy, Tiger. Yeah, it was easy. Oh yeah, that was you. It was easy. Trade with Nick. It was easy for trade for Nick. Hold on one second. What the hell? As moderator. Yeah, it was definitely not easy for me. I scrambled the whole. I really scrambled the whole day. It was like just one of those days where I kind of like, whatever I tried to do, it just wasn't working. Whatever I tried to do, it was like, man. I mean, something that was really truly important, I will be down, and something that really does not matter at all, like evals or anything like that, was like okay, right? So overall, what a terrible day this morning. I hope that does not happen ever again. Maybe tomorrow's gonna be a lot better. Tomorrow got PPI, so guys, man, the PPI is gonna be another crazy day. I don't know if this market's gonna ever care, to be honest though. PPI, will this PPI move the market though? It may try to. It may try to. And CPI may try to as well to bring the market down, but I don't know if this market really has what it takes to just keep pushing it down. Incredible. Can we get the concurrent viewers to 400? I think so. We could get over 400 viewers, guys, today. Let's make it happen, everybody. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to smack the like as well, everyone. Felix Toribio, isn't it Asia CPI? Yeah, it's 9:30 Eastern time. No, CPI is not. CPI is on Thursday, and PPI is tomorrow during the pre-market. Trade with Nick, you have the power. You're so silly. AB Megit, what up, man? Yeah, today was wild. Yeah, I don't know, man. Today was not just wild. I don't know. Everything I tried to do, I kind of felt like this market knew exactly when I was gonna enter and exit. It kept taking me out. Like every trade I tried to make was like, I get in and it goes against me and stops me out, and then I'm out of my trades. Just one of those days, man. Incredible, incredible. Monica, what are you doing here right now? Thanks for being here, Monica. I hope you are having a pleasant night, and I hope you had a great night too, a great day this morning. I don't know, I asked you how you did today, but I never got a response, so thanks for ignoring me for sure. Matt RSI, what up, man? Phil in the house, man. Still have 6 other funded accounts. Hey, Phil, you got 6 other funded accounts, man. That really is good. Great job, Phil. Ready to go? Nice, man, Phil. I mean, you blew 2, but you still have 6 other funded accounts. Hey, man, that's really all that matters. Look at this pump in this market. Holy bokchino, everyone. Just my style. Fiber splice gold, man. What is going on, guys? JM, hey, great to see you, brother. It's I think the first time seeing your nickname here, but oh gosh, man, look at that pump, man. Look at that. We are breaking out of this pivot. Are we gonna break out of this pivot and just keep moving here to the upside? This is what this market's trying to do. Holy moly. I'm gonna take one off the table here, guys. All right, so I'm down to 2 contracts now. Incredible, guys, incredible. Maybe this is what I should have done today. Of course not. Of course not. Of course not. I've only got 1 contract. I thought I had few. Maybe they got filled along the way, I guess. I don't know. I want to keep holding this bad boy, guys. I'm going to keep holding this. I kind of feel like this market has some more room to the upside. Right, we broke out of this very important pivot, so I kind of feel like we got some more room. Maybe into the 900s. We'll see what happens from there. But for now, 900 is my target there. So that's there on that account. We'll see. AB Megit Tiger, let me let you in on a little secret. Trend lines tend to break on a 5th hit. Look for it. Yeah, thanks for letting me know. J-Min, what up, J-Min? Don't get mixed up with JM. Oh. Hey man, J-Min, man, what are you doing here? One second. Yeah, Jamie was supposed to be modier. Can you type it again? I forgot to add Jamie. Yeah. Tristan M, maybe it wants to sweep the New York high. Could be, but we're getting a little pullback here, which is obviously not that good. Honestly, I'm trying to hold this for as long as I can. But I don't know, man. It's I think dude will have to type it again too. Toxic FX. What is J? Did 45. What is up, bro? We're getting a pullback here. Damn it, guys. What the hell's going on? What the hell, everybody? Why are we getting rejection at this level now? $8.85. I need a bounce. I need a beautiful V-shape bounce. Not a real man. Wow, that's a pretty hard rejection there. Let's see if we hold this though. We definitely have a chance of holding this. I didn't want to see a pullback, to be honest. All right, guys, it's pretty interesting price action so far. Man, it's really hard to get like $1,000 profit in a single trade during Asia, man. It's so hard. Like, you have to really try to oversize, like in Asia, to really try to get there. But then it's like you may also end up blowing your account through that process, and I've done that last night. Like, you try to go for mini contract, and then if it goes against you, Asia market could blow your account too. It's frustrating sometimes. We are definitely going back to 780 or 800, Monica. We are getting a pullback according to Monica, guys. This is definitely a problem. That's a little tricky part about trading Asia. It's that you have to definitely, like, it's 1/5, I would say, right? So if you're going one mini contract during New York trades, then it's probably about 5x during Asia. So you have to to make the same amount of profits, right? So you have to be 5 mini contracts to kind of be like Asia. To be like New York equivalent, right? But a lot of cases, though, Asia market, if it goes against you, you end up blowing that account because you're 5 contracts. That's what the tricky thing is about Asia market. But anyways, guys, we'll look to see if we get a nice little bounce. I am definitely going to go a little aggressive in my trades, though, today, because I really want to get my funding ticks accounts up and running here pretty aggressively, so I can kind of like try to get to 6 funded accounts in the next few days. Honestly, like, it's my priority right now, guys. It's definitely my priority to get to about 6 funded accounts with funding ticks. Is definitely my priority, and once I have that, it's golden. From there, it's gonna be like I'm not gonna go aggressive at all. Maybe I may try to do one account, swing trade overnight with one mini contract. Try to see if I can make 15 to 2,000 bucks. But that's all I'm gonna try and do. Not gonna try and be like crazy 4 mini contracts, overnight swings, or something like that, or even day trading with 4 mini contracts. Just gonna be 1 at most. Don't be too aggressive. Nico says do not be too aggressive. I tell you what, guys, man, trade with Nick is probably up like 20k right now with 5 of his Tradify live account. I wonder what where's Nick YouTube channel? Hold on 1 second, guys. Trade with Nick. Trade with Nick. Oh shit, I can't find it for some reason. Hold on 1 second. Oh, by the way, oh dear, the market pulled it back here. Ooh. Alright, guys. Stock Tiger, little trouble. Little trouble, guys. Yeah, I mean, we can see a pullback here. I mean, I wouldn't mind a pullback, honestly. Like, I'm already overall net up on these accounts, so I'm not really gonna. Oh, Japan. Japan, it was Japan, guys. It was Japan that moved the market. Wow. 5 points. Great job. Great job. Five. Barely 5. The number one, the biggest and the largest, Tokyo, could only move 5 points. Oh, I see. Somebody was mentioning about this. All right, but what platform is this though? Or do we have enough numbers? I think we do. All right, we'll do our giveaway in about 20 minutes, guys. Let's try to get some likes up too, if we can. Let's make the likes a little special here tonight. If you guys want to support the stream and for the giveaway as well. All right, looking. I don't know what this market is trying to do, guys. We could see a dump here too. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that. It's gonna get pretty interesting here. Pretty interesting. Phil, what up, man? You want to see it sweep? Chet M, Nicholas Gomez in the house, man. Colin Brown. Thank you, Colin Brown. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it, brother. Whoo, it's kind of heavy, you know what I mean? It got a lot of hair. That's a lot of hair. Lots and lots of hair here, guys. Monica, please do not say that. In a few minutes, you're gonna see a nice dump. Please do not say that, guys. But we're having a little bit of a hard time trying to get above this pivot too. So I kind of feel a little concerned. I'll be honest, man. I am definitely a little concerned. But we also have a little trend line that we have to not forget. Yeah. So here we go. We could see this thing pull all the way down into this area, maybe. So it really depends. We got a lower, sorry, what do you call this? The equal low here in that 875, and also have another level of support here as well. To here. 850s. We could see this thing pull back. Yeah, I mean, just looking at it right now, we could also see either we push it up or we push it down. We're gonna get above this pivot, and we really have to get above this 895 to kind of feel a lot more bullish. We also have a chance of a pullback here into the 855s as well. Looks pretty scary though. I want to get out of my trade, I'll be honest. Hold on 1 second. So far, we're kind of breaking out. We are trying to break out, guys. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of, what, 991 or 891? Wow, look at that. Whoa! Everybody look at that push. I took one off the table, guys. I took one off the table. I'm gonna exit this. I'm gonna exit this trade or what now? Should I? I'll exit this trade, guys. Go back to the other one. Alright, guys, I've only got one contract, so I'm gonna place my stop at the break even now. Stop here, break even. Alright, so there we are. My stop is at the break even, so let's see what happens. DJ Matt, look, what up? I guess it's you probably knew I've never heard your name before. But anyways, thank you so much for being here today. Gabriel, new as well. I haven't heard you before. Jamin, unless there's a bad news, most likely get magnet back to the 900. 900? Yeah. I don't know. Well, I really kind of sucked today, so I'm definitely very disappointed at myself. And you know, once you get into some bad trades, sometimes it's really hard to get back into good trades, you know what I mean? Like it's just one of those days. I'm long right now. I've been long for a while now. I've been long since the open, but I just been peeling profits off the table. And that is too, guys. We are pulling back here. I may exit this trade right here, guys. Oh man, this is, I don't know. Maybe pull back into the 874, baby. Monica, you're still trading? Really? Monica. New roll Apsar. What up, man? Charles A. And kids going up. JC Traits. Alfred Sicoli. Gold flush. Oh, gold flush, really? Oh my god. Gold is flushing, guys. Maybe I should be trading gold right now. Maybe I should be trading gold, guys. 1 second.
Order filled.
Oh, maybe it's a mistake, guys. Maybe it's a mistake.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I knew it, guys. I knew this is a mistake. I knew it. And now I'm adding, but I knew it's a mistake, guys.
Order working. Order filled.
I'm gonna get cooked now. Maybe get lucky, I don't know. I know, man. Guys, man. Guys, don't talk about gold anymore, please. Oh wow, guys, look at that bounce in the gold. Man, I knew it. Now was your liquidity there. I knew it. I kind of sensed I was on the wrong side. I really did. I don't know if you guys noticed. When I entered with 1 or 2 contracts, I was like, oh, I think I made a mistake, and then I started adding. I was like, you know what? And then it's too late now. You know, the first you should have actually exited your trade. Man, I hate this, guys, man. I can't believe this. I'm down. Jeez, you gotta be kidding me, guys. Incredible. Do I now FOMO exit? Hold this back. Oh, what a foolish nonsense trade. Gold. Man, I was just looking for a little more extension here. And of course, that's what you get. A little more extension was what I'm looking for in gold. This gold never freaking does it, you know what I mean? It's like, it like gets you and it's you're out. Anyways, guys, we got an EMA resistance here. We'll see what happens to gold. Maybe we get a little lucky on our favor. Man, I hate myself sometimes, man. Stuff like this honors the hell out of you. So guys, I'm not gonna panic. I'm just gonna wait. We got a resistance there, so we'll see what happens now. Well, it does piss me off a little bit, but
Order filled. 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 Order rejected. Filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order working. Order working. Order working.
Tristan M, what up? Nate, AB. Alright guys, the moment of truth now. Let's see if we get a dump or we get a little bit of a push here back into the 900s, guys. Oh, gold. Am I still in gold trade, by the way? Am I still in gold trade? Oh, I'm still in gold trade. Okay, I see. I'm exiting that trade. Alright, I exited my gold trade. And I'm gonna just look for a NQ bounce back into 900, guys. If we get a pullback here, then I'm obviously gonna get... I probably get crucified. Hey, Willie C, what is up, man? Monica, I was in profits. Yeah, I was just going back and forth between accounts, right? So I may have forgotten that I was up on the gold, but I don't think I would have been up so much because I only had so much contract on that gold trade. I took a bulk of contracts off the table on a pullback there to kind of like de-risk myself. All right, guys, we are getting a little bounce here. Let's see if we have this juice to get it up to 900, guys. Yeah, I don't know, Monica. I'm not sure. Are we going to get a bounce, guys? I need a bounce back into 900 now. I need a bounce into 900, guys. Let's see if we get it right now. It looks like it wants to get one more leg here, but I don't know if that's gonna happen right at this moment. Maybe this market may try to shake out some more bulls, the weaker bulls maybe. Can you check the 4287? Yeah, I'm here, but there's no go. Oh, you mean underneath that? Yeah, I know what you mean. I did not take a look at that though. I completely forgot.
Auto working.
Wow, is it gonna take that long to just literally get me like 5 points bounce or what, everybody? All right, guys, at least one got filled. Whoo! One got filled there, and that's really all I need, right? All right, let's see. Let's see if we can add one more leg to the upside, guys. Or do we just get a pullback here? Man, this is incredibly surprising. This market is definitely not surprising us. A continued move to the upside is just incredible. How this market just does not know how to get a pullback here, guys. Incredible, incredible. Guys, don't forget to smack that like, everybody, if you can right now, if you guys want to support the stream. And don't forget to post your number on our Discord, guys, between 1 to 150 to be able to participate on our giveaway. It's a random number giveaway between 1 to 150 to give yourself a chance to win an Apex account giveaway, guys. Go ahead and post your numbers right now. We're pretty close to getting our giveaway started here. And do not forget to smack that like, everybody. Please take a few seconds of your time. And also just make sure to subscribe as well if you guys are new to the stream, to always get notified every time I go live. And once again, you have to post your number on our Discord, guys. On our Discord. That's where you're gonna have to post your numbers, guys. Hold on one second. Are we going to get a bounce? Are we finally going to get a bounce or not? We're about to witness something big.
Order filled.
What was that, guys? Something got filled. I don't know exactly what it was. Oh, I think it was my other account. Order got filled. One more. Let's get together and let's get a bounce, guys. What is this market trying to do now? Adrian, what up? Yeah. Oh man, guys. Every time we have a boring price action like today, this is what you guys gonna see. Are we gonna get a push now? Uh-oh, guys. Are we getting a pullback here? Oh. Hey, I don't say it's much mochaccino anymore. Come on, don't be so mean, Enik. Jeez. Holy mochaccino. Alright guys, I am ready now. This market is not giving me what I need, so we're gonna have to do our giveaway, guys. Good luck, everybody. All right, guys, I'm telling you, as soon as we do our giveaway, the market's gonna rip. The market always does that. Every time we do giveaways, the market pushes to the north. And that's exactly what I need right now. So we better hurry up. We better hurry up and do our giveaway, guys. Everybody, good luck. Good luck. Make sure you have your posted number. Oh, guys, take a look. Take a look at that push to the upside. You guys saw that. All right, guys. Everybody have a... Oh, look at that. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Everybody, 1 second. Oh, guys, this is all I need. This is all I need. This is all I need here, guys. That's all I need there. And we got another one here now. I've got to work on this. Man, what a push here to the downside. After smacking me out of that trade, look at this push to the downside of gold. Incredible, man. I am so absolutely annoyed with the gold. All right, so my mind tells me to go short in gold. What I'm gonna try and do, I'm gonna try and go long here, guys. Take a look. Now it's gonna tank. Watch. Wow, it's actually getting a bounce, guys. Can you guys imagine? Look at that. Incredible. Wow, that's unreal. That is absolutely unreal. I told you I was trying to short this right now, and I said, okay, you know what? I'm gonna try and long, and this is what we get right now. This is what we get. All right, guys. Anyways, back to the NQ. What is my NQ? I'm gonna try to find a way to get this thing up and running here. Down quite a bit on this account. Yeah, no, I'm gonna exit this trade. All right, good luck, everybody. I am going to go ahead and do this right now, everyone. Let's effing go, everyone. Good luck. Versa in the house, man. What is up? Fiber Splice, everybody. I'm generating a number now. $147, guys. 147. Nobody's got 147. Nobody's got 147, guys. Nobody won't you. All right, guys, we can do it again. $105, guys. 105. We don't have anybody 105, guys. Is that a coincidence? Regenerating a number. Good luck once again, everyone. 103, guys. Come on, guys. 103. Oh, I think we have a winner. I think we have a winner, guys. We have a winner. Kobo. Kobo in the house is the winner. Kobo. Oh, there we go. Kobo is the winner. Tutti Frutti in the house tells me Kobo is the winner. And Woo also tells me Kobo is the winner. Congrats once again, Kobo. I need you to confirm that you are here. Is Kobo here? Is Kobo here? All right, if Kobo is not here, we're gonna have to redo it again, guys. I'm gonna give Kobo 2 more minutes to confirm that he is legit and he is here. All right, 2 more minutes, guys, for Kobo to confirm. 2 more minutes. Oh. Mr. Kobo is not here. It doesn't look like he's here. Kobo is not here. All right, guys. Looks like we may have to redo the number again. Looks like we may have to redo the number again, everyone. By the way, everybody, are you guys having a great night today? All right, Kobo is not there. Kobo is not there. 19 seconds. Oh, time's running out, guys. 15. 14, 13, and then the market's not liking it, guys. The market is trying to get a pullback here in front of that absence. 3, 2, 1, no! All right, guys, it's that time of the day. We are going to have to call this again, unfortunately. We are gonna have to generate a new number. I think so. What do you guys think? McLean family, you're having a great night. Nice, man. You just wish I could win one of those giveaways. I've been trying since forever. Oh, McLean family, bro. Just remind me again next time. All right, guys, I'm gonna respin now. It's an instruction I got from Tim Chang. I've got to do it right now, guys. Tim Chang tells me to do it right now, everybody. You gotta do it. Everybody, good luck once again. All right, man. 56, guys. 56 in the house. Wow, I think we got 56. We got Tay Lu. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Tyuule. I'm gonna give Trilo 2 minutes to confirm. I'm gonna have him 2 minutes to confirm, guys. Oh, Trilo is here. I wanted to do it again. Oh, he is here, unfortunately, guys. He is here. All right, guys. Looks like we have a winner. No turning back, no redrawing, because we found a winner tonight. Congrats to Yuli for winning this beautiful Apex giveaway. Congrats once again. You are the man. And guess what, guys? The market is consolidating while the gold is pulling back here. Interesting market here tonight, guys. Are we going to hit all-time new high tomorrow? Or into the CPI? Does the really market care? Does the market care about CPI and PPI? It's going to get very interesting, guys. I don't think so, but we'll see what happens. But, guys, 1 second. We are going to do another giveaway tomorrow, guys. Do not forget. I'd love to see you guys back again tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a cash giveaway. If you guys miss your chance to win tonight, do not give up, because we're going to have another cash giveaway tomorrow. That's going to be a cash giveaway, and that's not an account giveaway, guys. Make sure to hit that notification bell as well. Smack the like as usual. Looks like this market is trying to get a little pullback here. Gold. Tristan M. King L83 CPI. CPI is on Thursday. It's not tomorrow. Tomorrow is PPI, and then it's Thursday CPI at 6. I think it's 6:30 if I'm not wrong. I think it's 6:30, guys. 6:30. Trade with Nick. Cash is your middle name. Yeah, Cash is my last name. Captain Price, man. You think you're gonna swing trade short only today? Yeah, it's gonna get very, very interesting, guys. I may try to swing trade with one of my funded account. I'm almost kind of thinking it's gonna be my XFA account. I may try to swing my XFA account today, and I'm gonna really look for that big sort of a couple $1,000 profits if I can. We'll see how that go, but I really look forward to that tomorrow morning. By tomorrow morning, I'll take a look at it in the next few hours and see how that goes, and then I may end up exiting my trade, or I may end up holding it through overnight. I need one of these good trades, overnight swings right now. This is exactly what I need, and of course during that process I may end up losing my account too, don't get me wrong, but I am willing to take a risk on that. So market's still looking pretty good, guys, man. I honestly, it's so far it's been nice push. Honestly, when you just take a look from a larger time frame standpoint, from 1 hour for example, it looks like we are just heading our way to hit that all-time high. I don't know what you guys think, but me personally, I kind of feel like we're trying to get there. Maybe what we try to do is we try to get there tonight, right? Push it, you know, and then with PPI tomorrow, we push it down into the support, and then I don't know if that holds. If that doesn't hold, then I think we push it down to the 670s, and then we kind of consolidate and then wait for CPI the very next day. And then the next day CPI is obviously going to dictate where the market's going to go. That's Thursday. I do not honestly want to guess from there on, but it's going to be a tough one, guys. Keep in mind, let's not fight the Fed. You know, I think ultimately I kind of realized that, you know, with that sort of a bad labor market, you know, I was kind of short-minded. I was kind of thinking, okay, well, with a bad labor market, with a revision, we may expect to see some sort of a selling pressure step in this market, but of course we did not get that. But ultimately, towards the end of the day today, this morning, I realized that, okay, well, maybe we're trying to fight the Fed more so than fighting the trend. I think it's fighting the Fed, right? We are not like, it's like you try to fight against the Fed, you know what happens, right? You get absolutely barbecued. So right now I almost kind of feel like the labor market's weak. It's almost a guarantee that we get a pretty steep rate cut in the next few months, and maybe immediate. So is that bad for the market? Absolutely not, right? The Fed's going to do whatever they can to, you know, get this market moving in the right direction. For now, this is what I kind of feel like this market is going to try and do. You know, maybe against the PPI, we try to tank. I don't know which level it's going to tank up to, but we'll see. It's going to get pretty interesting. The market does not, I don't think the market is trying to pull back right now at this point. Maybe a little bit later towards the rest, maybe pre-market London. Maybe we pull back, I'm not sure, but it's a long ways to go, right? We still have another 12 hours to go between now through the morning, so a lot of things can happen. I do not want to guess at this point, but I may try to swing the market, guys. Though I may try to swing the market overnight. I'll look to see some to see if I can make a couple $1,000 on this swing trade overnight. Gonna drop rates while inflation is going up. Yeah, I mean, I think the Fed is a little well, not Fed is a little late. I think the Fed is really late, very late to the party, right? I mean, they obviously they held the rates as long as they can because the labor market was solid. The labor market was solid, all right. But with that revision on that labor market, the Feds are kind of going, they're probably scratching their head going, okay, well, I think we have a little problem, but by now it's already too late to the party. They're very late, in my opinion, but I think they're gonna do whatever they can to save the market. So we'll see how the market reacts tomorrow and CPI on Thursday. It's gonna be huge, guys. That's definitely gonna set a tone for the rest of the month. So, but are we not due for some sort of a pullback though, guys? I think so, but I don't know when, man. Jeez, we've been waiting for a pullback since 1st of September, right? And we haven't got any meaningful pullback so far just yet. So, and we already passed 10 days now, so we only got like 20 more days for September to be over, and yet we just don't see any signal that we get some sort of a meaningful pullback. Not just a pullback, but a meaningful one. We just don't have any of that right now, so it's gonna get pretty interesting. I look forward to what's to come tomorrow and on Thursday. It's gonna get pretty interesting. I'm gonna have to play a scalp, to be honest, and I may try to swing trade overnight. I'll let you guys know if I do, but I haven't got into any of the trades just yet, but I may end up doing a swing with one of my XFA, or I may try to do that with the pro account as well. I don't know. We'll have to see what this market is in the next couple hours. It's gonna definitely get very interesting. Let me hold the dollar, man. The Fed rates follow the 2 years yield. It has always will. We don't even need a Fed Reserve chairman. The Fed is behind on the chart. They are definitely way behind on the chart, unfortunately. But the market is still like showing no signs of a crack at the moment. So, Andreas Jendrik, swing overnight. I may short, I may long. I don't know. We'll have to see. Like I told you, we may try to go long to retest the high. And it's the swing high, that's the previous high, and then try to pull back, you know what I mean, through the PPI. So we're gonna have to wait and see. I haven't decided yet. I may not swing trade. Marcel, what up, man? Dell NQ dumping. Yeah, I don't know if it's dumping. It's actually pumping right now. Calm Vibrance in the house, man. This morning was terrible. Oh, you tell me, brother. It was the worst. I probably had the worst day today, scalping this market. Every time I go long, the market pulls back. Every time I try to short, the market bounce. I found a beautiful resistance to go long, a beautiful support to short. Wow, incredible, guys, man. Incredibly insane day today. But I hope all of you had a great day. It almost kind of sounds like you all had a decent day. Of course, along the way, you guys lose 1 or 2 accounts, but I mean, you still have a lot of funded accounts with you guys, so kudos to all of you. Frederick, what up, man? Let me just call out the names here. DJ Nisin, what up? King L83, Captain Price, trade with Nick. Christian M, ND. Since today's the 9th, should do a 9 giveaway totals. ND, I like that idea. It almost kind of feels like ND is gonna be my sponsor. McLean family in the house. Nejmu, Bob, Schneider, what up, man? JM, Brian F. Adams, what is going on, man? Long time no see. Arum, Frederick, Mike, Primo Arrow, Neo in the house, man. What up? Marcel, Versa, These 2 days has been hell. Absolutely, guys. It's not been easy to trade in the last few days. Absolutely was hard. It looked easy, but if you are trading, it's definitely tough, man. I don't know. I had a tough time for sure. It wasn't easy, guys. I lost a very meaningful accounts along the way, and you know, I just gotta be careful in everything I try to do, because if any further mistakes that I make from here, it's gonna be very costly. So I've got to be very, very careful here, guys, and every one of you has to be very careful too. All accounts, whether it's eval or funded accounts, are all important, guys. Let's try our level best to hold it for as long as we can, to give all of us a better chance of getting more payouts, guys, throughout the rest of the month. Don't forget, it's all about the payouts. If Jerome Powell waits any longer, the chart will catch back up. Trump wants the market to hit the zillion so he can take the credit, but inflation will get crazy. Yeah, I mean, you have a very good valid point. I don't know, we'll see, guys, man. Yeah, Nirmang Gadhiya, what up, man? Today was hard day to date. Yeah, today was definitely not an easy day. We had a lot of sharp fakes. That's the problem. Like, it almost really kind of felt like a confirmation, and then it's like a fake, you know. And the fake wasn't like soft fake. It was really fierce, like a V-shaped fakes, and it was all over the place. You know, it was really hard to trade. And on top of that, I wasn't trading one mini. I was like getting to 2 or 3 mini contracts. That obviously that made things even worse. Our room in the house, man. You are from Kosovo. Nice. Kosovo, you're from oh, sorry. Our room, you're from Kosovo. Great to see you. Thank you for being here today. I hope you subscribe to this channel. Kosovo, man. What a beautiful place. Thank you for being here today. Wow, we are such an international community. Manolo just passed 5 accounts. Nice. So it's better managed than one by one. I think, man, honestly, if you have 5 accounts, I mean, if it's me, I would just do one by one. I wouldn't even bother copy trading if you only have 5. If I only had 5 accounts and I copy trade all of them together, guys, man, just think about it. If you end up getting into bad trade, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but if you get into bad trade, then you end up losing all of that account. That's going to be crazy, guys. Don't forget to smack the like, everybody, before you hop out. Captain Price Mill, what up, man? LMNO. A room, nice. A room, subscribe. Thank you, brother. You are the man. Let whole dollar, man. I feel like an architect with these trend lines. I know. You feel like an architect. Yeah. At some point, you're going to be like, oh, this is too much of a spider web. I'm going to have to get rid of these lines. Yeah. It gets a bit overwhelming at some point when you have too many. And I hear what you say. It's almost 3 a.m. in the morning. Oh, man, it's time for bed. You shouldn't be trading right now at 3 a.m. in the morning. Niram get here. What up, man? You blew up Take Profit Trade Pro account today. Yeah, man, I blew up mine too. I blew my pro account today. And on top of that, I blew a few other accounts as well. So at least we still have some accounts to play with, though. On the positive side, that's I'm gonna try my level best to try and save my rest of my accounts that I got right now. It's a battle. It's a battle between traders and the market, guys. Manage your risk. Don't let the account be your stop. Kelly in the house, man. Quote of the day. All right, guys. Let's take a look at this. Wow, we actually ended up pulling back into the 886, and we got a bounce. I'm gonna hold this, guys. We'll see how far we can actually go. I'm gonna move back to the 50-minute chart as well. Wow, look at all this. Look at all this spider web that I've got here right now. I kind of feel like still today. I'm leaning more to the upside as well today. At least right now for the next couple hours. So I'm gonna try and leave this as is for now. every time you're afraid of shorting, it's like you could have that 10 points. I know exactly. All right, guys. Thank you for being here today. It's that time of the day. I'm gonna get going, and thank everybody for hopping into the stream. Before you hop out, just make sure to not forget about smacking the like, and we'll see you guys back tomorrow at 6 p.m. Eastern time. I may try to hop onto the stream in the morning at about 12 p.m. Eastern time. I'll let you guys know. If I do, I will let you guys know on our Discord. So just make sure you are also on our Discord, guys. Also, because I do let everybody know that every time I go live on our Discord. So thank you everybody for being here today. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great rest of the day. Great to see all of you today, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of the day. Once again, we'll see you guys back tomorrow. God bless everybody in your family. Love you guys. Thank you. And take care. Peace. Bailey, thank you so much, brother. I love you too. Bailey, Charles A, Nick, Come Vibrance, Shiner, Lemmy Holt, Ludwin Hertudu, Kelly, Mustafa, everybody, thank you so much, guys. Bolsita, man, everyone, thank you guys for being here. Have a great rest of the day. Finally, peace.